Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Definitely make sure you subscribe. So today I'm going to be doing my night skincare, my night routine. I just got home. It's 6:53 and I have so much to do because I have to write a work report, I have to cook, I have to get showered, and then I have to like prep for tomorrow. Tomorrow is still a weekday. So I'm going to do a voiceover because I feel like I can't really follow up with, like, I can't keep telling you guys what I'm doing at this time. So I'm going to be doing a voiceover and I hope that you're going to be okay with it. So I'm going to start with my report, and then we're going to go to the kitchen and cook. But I did my nails. I did my nails and this is how they look. I feel like they came out really good considering they are natural nails, so I feel like they came out so good. So I'm going to do my reports. I have 3 reports to actually do, so yeah. My god, where's the salt? Hey, I'm from the bathroom and guess what I'm wearing? Guess what I'm wearing? Just guess what I'm wearing! I'm wearing Calvin Klein. Well, it's not really show off, but I'm wearing designer. I'm wearing designer. I've never really worn designer, but today I'm wearing designer. It's a t-shirt. It's just a t-shirt I got as a gift from someone, and I'm wearing it to sleep because apparently it's sleepwear, so like I can't really wear it to anywhere else. But this is the t-shirt, and it's so cute, it's cute, it's cute, it's so cute. But it's big, it's so big, like it's a medium, and I usually wear a small, so it's kind of big, but I love it. And let me see how I look in the mirror. I look pretty, but I think I shouldn't like wear it to sleep because I need to keep it good. I need to keep it looking good because like so I'm probably gonna eat now because I haven't eaten. And then I finished my reports. I had so many reports to do for work, but I already finished. So I'm gonna eat and then I'm gonna watch something and then I'm gonna call it a night because I'm gonna sleep like very soon. And my bed is looking really bad. My bed really looks like it just looks like it wants, so I may have to let me actually clean up before I eat. Oh god. I didn't really really do a good job because I'm just gonna sleep in like a few minutes. But let me put my supper. So I'm having white rice and lentils. Yeah, I don't really have rice for dinner, but today you.